Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here with my second Rite Aid haul for the week. Another 10 off 50 coupon haul. Guys, this coupon is amazing. If you haven't used it yet, please go out and do so. There's all kind of deals you can do. Nothing is off limits. If you don't have the coupon, that's okay. Just screenshot this one because you can use it over and over and over and over and over and over again. Or you can get it off of the app. You can get it off of the website. You can get it off of the flyer that's mailed to you. You can use any of them, and you can use them multiple times. I just keep giving them the screenshot off of my phone because I only had one ad, but it's totally up to you how you want to do it. But guys, you got to get out to Rite Aid and get these deals. They are paying me to shop at Rite Aid. I will be at Rite Aid tomorrow doing 2 more hauls. They are fabulous. You just got to take the time and put your deals together. Combine your coupons with your Ibotta rebates. Oh, well, speaking of Ibotta, if you haven't downloaded Ibotta yet, please do so. You're missing money on that. If you are new to Ibotta, when you redeem your first rebate, you get $10. And every time you refer someone else, a family or friend, when they redeem their first rebate, they get $10 and you get $10. Guys, all this money is out here. It is free money for you to get. This is the way to save. You just have to take the time to do it. So I'm going to get off my soapbox, but don't forget to sign up for Ibotta. Now I'm going to get off my soapbox. I'm going to head on here to the store. We're going to get some paper towels, some smell good stuff if that's in stock. I don't know. I know they had low stock the other day. We're going to get some more of that Citaphil clearance. We're probably going to snatch up some hygiene products. So let's get in. Let's get ready to save. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And comment and let me know what deals that you like. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to grab are the dryer sheets. All of the Snuggle products are on sale for $2.99. The fabric softener, the dryer sheets that are 80 count, and then the super fresh dryer sheets are 70 count. I'm going to grab the ones that are 80 count. They're on sale for $2.99. I'm going to use this Snuggle coupon that came out last week in the paper for $1.50 off of any one Snuggle coupon. This does expire this Saturday on the 17th, as you can see. So I'm going to grab 4 of those. That's going to take these down to $1.50 at the register. So as you can see, I already have those 4 in my cart. So that is going to be about $12 that we have towards our $50. So let's move on. Okay, we also have the puff tissues that are on sale. As you can see, they are on sale for four for $5. It's the Ultra Soft, the Plus Lotion, the Vicks puffs. So I'm gonna grab 4 of those. And we're going to use this coupon that came out in your P&G. It doesn't expires this Saturday. And it's 25 cents off of any one Puffs product. It's not very good. It keeps blurring out. So, except for travel, and this isn't a travel. So we're going to grab 4 of those, and we're going to use 4 of these coupons. So I'm going to grab 2 Ultra Soft. And I'm going to grab 2 of the Puffs with lotion. Okay, so we're going to move on to our next deal. Okay, next, this is part of the same deal. It is the Bounty Essentials. They are 4 for $5. So we're going to grab 4 of those. Again, we're going to use a coupon out of the P&G insert that expires this Saturday. And you see it's 25 cents off any one Bounty product except for trial and travel. So we're going to grab 4 of these, and we're going to use 4 coupons. And remember, at Rite Aid, you can use 4 like coupons in your transaction. Okay, so we're going to move on to our next items. Okay guys, to add to our deal, we're going to get 2 of these Stayfree pads, and they are $4.29. We're going to get 2 of these purple, And we're going to use this coupon from the coupons.com app. I just printed it this morning, so it is still available. But it saved $3 off of 2. So they're gonna ring up. We're gonna add let's round that up to $8.29. But then we're gonna get the gold discount. So excuse me, that'd be $8.60 if we round that up. So that'd be like $8.60, $8.88, like $1.60 off. So we're going to pay about $7 for these, but then we're going to use this coupon, which is $3. It's going to take that down, and then we're going to submit to Ibotta, and you can do it 2 times. You're going to get $2 for each of those. So basically, these are just about going to be free, maybe a couple cents. So I'm going to add these to the cart, and then I'm going to review with you everything that we got, because we're also going to add some of the Citaphil to our purchase. Okay, so for those of you who did not see my other video, I will attach the video to this so you can watch it. But there's a bunch of Citaphil that is on clearance. It is not marked, so you do have to search the store. So at the end of the video, I will give you all of the codes and the sizes and everything. But it's these different Citaphils. And when you buy 2 of them, you get $3 in bonus cash, and they're ringing up for like $3, $2 and some change. But you can do the deal 4 times because it is tracking. It is a monthly deal. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, I'm doing the deal 4 times, and all of this should come to about $52, $53. So I will show you shortly. I'm going to go ahead and head up to the register. Okay, so as promised, I am going to show you all of the UPCs and codes for all of the Citaphil products so that you can go ahead and get them. But remember, I did link the video, the last video, which has all of the UPCs and everything in there for you. So here I got the moisturizing lotion, and it has to have this design. It cannot say new. And it's the 16 ounce. And here, there's a UPC. Then the Citaphil moisturizing cream, which is the 8 ounce. There's the UPC for that. Remember, it cannot have the new design. It can't say new. The Gentle Skin Cleanser, 16 ounce. And here is the UPC for that. The Daily Facial Cleanser, 16 ounce, and there's the UPC for that. And then the Gentle Skin Cleanser, the 8 ounce, and there is the UPC for that. So this is everything that I got: the 4 boxes of puffs, the 4 Bounty paper towels, the 4 Snuggle dryer sheets, the 2 Stayfree pads, and 8 of the Citaphils. So let's go over my receipt. There's the Stayfree pads. They were $4.29 with the gold discount. They came down to $3.43. Then I had the $3 off coupon when you purchased 2, and the $3 came off of the 1. There's the Citaphil cleanser for $2.32. The Citaphil daily, that's the Citaphil cleanser 8 ounce. The Citaphil daily facial cleanser 16 ounce, $3.24. Citaphil moisturizing cream 8.8 ounce, $2.62. Citaphil moisture cream 8.8 ounce, $2.62. The other Stayfree pads came down to $3.43 with the gold discount. The Citaphil gentle cleanser 16 ounce, $3.24. And you can see that I used $6 coupons off of those. The $6 off 2 Citaphil coupons. And then we had the Citaphil Gentle Cleanser, 16 ounce, $3.24. The other Citaphil Moisturizer Lotion, 16 ounce, $3.24. $6 coupon came off of that. Citaphil Moisturizer Lotion again, 16 ounce, $3.24. The Snuggle Dryer Sheets were $2.99 with the $1.50 coupon. And you see there's 4 of those. And then you have the Bounty paper towels. They were actually $4 for $5. So that's why you see them ringing up at $1.25 with the 25% off coupon. There's 4 of those. Then you see the puffs. Well, the wellness coupon came off, which is the $10 off 50 coupon. Then you have the puffs, boxes of puffs. Those were $4 for $5. So those ring up $1.25 with the 25% off coupon. And for 40 items, my total was $7.58 that I paid at the register. But I got back $12 in bonus cash. And how did I get that? I got that from all of the Citaphils. You see bonus cash for Citaphil on there 4 times. And you'll see that it's been maxed out. You get $3 each time. So that is $12. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. And I got back $4 in Ibotta for the Stayfree pads, 2 for each of those. So I got back $12 in bonus cash and $4 back from Ibotta. That's a total of $16. And when you subtract that from the $7.58 I paid at the register, Rite-Aid paid me $8.42 to take 40 items off of their hands. Guys, amazing, amazing haul. Go out, get that Citaphil, put it in with your haul. Use those $6 off coupons, the $2.50 off coupons. Use your 10 off 50. And as always, keep on saving.